All right, welcome everyone. This is Irvin, aka Team with Irvin. Today is November 6, 2019, making today a Wednesday. Today analysis is gonna be on mostly on what we had done on our Sunday analysis. So we're gonna go over and see how well we have done. I have seen a lot of you guys that had done so well this week already, and I'm very proud of you guys for doing your analysis as well. And I want to also let you know, guys, thank you for all those that are supporting me on doing the 101. I had trained so many of you and everybody's doing well, and I just wanted to thank you for that. And we're gonna start with the disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. All right, if you haven't subscribed to my Facebook, please do so. And I want to thank everyone, and I want to also give you some of the 101 that I've been working with. Everyone seems to be pretty pleased with the service and the way how they're learning how to read them the chart, and they are making a lot of pips. This is some of them, and I have some here, and the list goes on, but unfortunately I cannot put all of them into our database. All right, so but I want to really thank everyone for letting me train you and be your coach and your mentor at the same time. All right, so again, all right, we're gonna start with GBP NCD on 4 hours. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday, guys. This is simply amazing. I cannot be more proud of what I do to make sure you success as well with me. And I want to clarify, guys, I'm not a signal provider. I don't do that. I don't want to do that yet, unless otherwise come, the contract come or whatever it comes. But if it does, then I may do it. But it seems like a lot of you guys are making hundreds and hundreds of pips. So congratulations if you are doing that and you feel that this is very valuable to you and you want to share this link to others that are now part of the Triple Arrow. Please do so, and remember the link of the website is right below of the description of this video if you want to share it with other members as well. All right, what did I tell you guys on Sunday, guys? I said the market has the triple arrow coming in this area here, and then what I was expecting to see. I was expecting to see a pullback, retracing and retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, and look at where it stopped. It just barely touched it, but it's a winning one. TP successfully hit the target. And what else did I say? The market was gonna come down and retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line, retesting our AA line, and look at where it stopped. So far, I'm proud of this one, and I think we are analyzing about 12 different pairs. So far, we had the first one in our favor. So, guys, please drop your question if you want me to. If you already saw my Sunday video, so I can maybe answer some of your frustration that you want me to answer today video. All right, and I do see that we do have some Latinos here, so yes, guys, I will be making I'm looking for some of you to do a video in Spanish, because I just want to see if you can help me out. All right, and then we posted it in our Spanish version. All right, thank you guys on that, and we're gonna move to our next pair. This is done on the GBP USD. This is the 4 hours, and let's see what I told you on Sunday. I say the market was gonna come and retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. Bingo. Tell me if that's not what it's doing right now. But the question is, why did I say that? It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Can you figure it out? It's right in front of you. Now let me make this small so you can see it. Look at who's here, guys. Look at who's here. When the triple arrow comes pointing down, what do you think the market is gonna do? It's gonna drop. Look, that's what it happens. And I said that our golden area was the 38, 50, and 61. Look at what it's just respecting what I just told you. That's why some of you guys, for some reason, are doing this as a signal. I'm not a signal provider. I'm just here to give you the best of the market, so you can squeeze with me hundreds and hundreds of pips and make a good successful trading career out of this. All right, so far we have another one, but I said on Sunday that I was gonna come in today and we were gonna analyze it together. All right, going to that, what do you think it's gonna do now? It's very simple, in my opinion. All right, I'm looking maybe another 3 more candles to drop a little bit below IPSO, and then it's gonna pull back and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line before it continue the way how it's supposed to go. It need to continue the way as a bearish. All right, so hopefully we are good on that one. So we're gonna come back on Sunday and we're gonna reanalyze this pair, and everybody hopefully are on with me on this one. All right, let me read some of the question that you guys are dropping on the chat room. And I see on Albert, thank you for your time. I'm inspired by your commitment to help others. Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you for coming in and putting part of this, be part of my videos and help others to also become successful. All right, let me see any other question. Is the big triple arrow repaint on the daily chart? This comes from NDA Salute. NDA, the only arrow that repaint is the big arrow. Here we use a set of rules. So we make sure we use the larger time frame, conform it, and then we do our entry. But the only one that does repaint is only the big arrow. The rest does not repaint, but the triple arrow simply is the best system that you can ever see in this market. Look at when the triple arrow come in. Clearly it's doing his job. You could have entered here, and then most likely probably you would have re-entered somewhere in the retest area. Right here. Let me erase this paint here that is making everything weird. Look at here. Most likely you would have come in and re-enter here on the drop. Simple as that. It's beautiful, man. Triple arrow is one of the best systems for doing Forex. If you're not part of it yet, I highly recommend you to take a look at it. All right, going on. Let's move on to our next pair, and hopefully this one is working on everyone. Let me read some of the chart. I spent some great time with Irving on Monday, and it was amazing. Rafa, we got Rio de Janeiro in the house. This is Rafa from Brazil. So yes, sir, you did learn a lot, and I'm very proud of you. All of you are extremely happy with the 101 session, and I'm here to help everyone. All right, we are here on the GBP CAT, and this is done on the 4 hours. Look at who is pointing down, guys. Simply, let me draw my other arrow. Look at who's here. Triple arrow is coming down as a bearish. Market did his job, and then it came in retest our triple arrow again. You should have another entry. Remember, guys, always put a trailing stop, maybe 30-40 pips. On this reversal, market is always gonna appreciate it's always gonna hit your TP on the trailing stop. So always put that and enter in a better position. That's all you gotta do. Now in here, you would have re-enter and you would be now hitting our 38 TP. So this trend is still valid. All right, so if you missed our Sunday and today is your first day, I'm sorry, guys, you have missed a lot. And now we are keeping all this video internal, and we're gonna be releasing it hopefully every Tuesday night, so you can match it with today's class on Wednesday. All right, So we're gonna leave this as it is right now, and then we're gonna come and reanalyze it back on Sunday and see how well we have done. But so far, I feel very confident that it's gonna do this job to our 38.2 Fibonacci line. All right. Let me read some of the question, and it says, learn a lot on Monday with the 101. This is Damon. That's right. That's another proof there. So we got Rafa and Damon that had taken my classes. And let me see what Derek Casanara is writing here. Thanks for the discussion. Why you analyze the market over the weekend? I look all the major pair on the past Saturday and Sunday. Why? That's a good question. Why do you think I analyze the market during the weekend? Because the market usually is closed. So I don't have pretty much no feeling. Everything is shut down. I take my time and I move from time frame to time frames, and I simply look for the best setup to do what? To help you guys. To help you. I have one member that just signed up 2 days ago, and he said, Irvin, I had never ever traded before, but because of your videos, you are such an amazing coach in my life that I have made over 7K with, I think it was $400 that he opened his account. I mean, I'm not a signal provider, but I guess he took this analysis like that. And then what he did, I mean, he wanted to join the real deal. So he come in and joined the triple arrow system, and now he's extremely happy. So if you're there here, I think you are here because I saw your name. I just totally forgot your name. But if you're here, just type number 1 so everyone can see who you are. All right. So you can be the inspiration of the night today. All right. Let me go to the next pair, and we can go ahead and review it together. All right. Here we are on the GBP USD. This is amazing, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said that it was gonna come and drop from the 78.6. Currently is doing what I told you on Sunday. Obviously it's doing a pullback, but it's just moving very slow, but it's doing its job. So I'm happy for that. All right, there it is. That's Vincent. Okay, you see that? That's the guy. That's the story that I just told you. I'm just telling you real stuff, guys. Vincent. He's the one who started with $300-400, and he grew his account to 7-8. I think sometimes 7-8K, just by watching my videos. But then he contacted me, said, Irvin, I really want to get to the triple arrow system. Your system is the best. And I tried him. I gave him 101, and now he's a pro. But that's the type of things that I'm experiencing day by day. All right. Let me see what Rom is writing. Books you recommend on the basics. I had to give you the links. There's plenty. If I start telling you, it will be a lot of it will take a lot of my time. All right, let me see what Dorian Collins is writing. Irving, help me analyze the market using the market data. We are all the unnecessary indicator. Yes, sir. Dorian, I'm sorry. I don't know if you're female or male. But when I do my 101, I don't use indicator whatsoever. I teach you straight up triple arrow with pure candles, price action. You will be amazed. What I teach you is I have not seen anywhere someone teaching the way I do it. It's not because I'm trying to be, oh, it's me. I know. I'm very proud of what I do, and I make sure that before you hang up the call, you hang up the transaction with me, you are good to go. And what I always teach everyone is real data. It's like right now, I'm seeing one arrow here. All those that take my classes, they know what they mean when the big arrow is here on our daily. They know exactly what they have to do. So I always teach reality. I never ever want to teach you back data, because I will look good. You would think it's everything okay, but at the end of the day, as soon as you hang up the call, you will be stuck on the issue. I don't want that. I want to have a high reputation of what I do, and the product was always gonna stand by the reputation that we have grown here in our triple arrow family. All right. So Vincent said he makes 7,200. Look, Look, he just posted, guys. He just posted. Just by watching my videos. That's real, man. That's real. Congrats anyway, and welcome to our family. All right. All right. Let me read some of the questions. So, Irvin, normally do you do 4 hour? What make you pick the daily for? Well, it's just a lot. What I use is larger time frame, guys, and then I just look for better entries. That's all I do. I have a set of rules. And usually, to be honest, it takes about 1 hour to really get you up to speed so you can really become a pro. And I make sure you will be a pro in 1 hour. Guarantee. Guarantee. All right, let's move on. Because I see you guys are dropping tons of questions today. And thank you for doing that. But I will also need to explain you. So we're going to put this in a pause. So because the market is doing what I told you they was going to do on Sunday. This is done on the USD Canadian. Look what I said. I said market was gonna come back and retest our high here on the AA line, which is sitting on the 0 to our 61 Fibonacci line. So far is hitting our area. So far so good. It's still valid. All right. Let me read some of your question now. And says Comac said, thank you for taking the time to share with us, Irvin. Oh, no problem, man. My pleasure, man. As long you do your thing and I'm here to help you. Hey, we are a big family. So I know in our chat room we have grown by hundreds and hundreds of members, and I'm very proud of. As everybody know, I was the second person here in our Triple Arrow family, and now we are over hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of members. Very proud to see the growth, and we're gonna keep growing because our product is real. All right, going here to the question, it says possibly 101 with prior getting started. This is for Rome. Just send me a private message. All you guys who want to have the 101, my private Telegram channel is on the description of this video, on all the videos. So you ever want to do that, just send me a private text and then we go over it. But remember, I just want to let everybody know there is a small, very, very small fee for the knowledge that you get. The knowledge that you're going to get with me is a lifetime skills. No one would take that away from you. And you will see the market completely in a different way. So hopefully, you come in and take it. All right. All right. Let me read another question. It seems like a lot of you are thanking me today. Thank you all for doing that, but I want to see questions too, okay? So thank you. I will pay for the session. Thank you again. And let me see another question. Can you break down the NCD Canadian? It takes a while, man. Today, what I want everyone to know is on Sunday, I give you what the market is gonna do for the week. On Wednesday, what I come here is break down exactly if our Sunday analysis is working well on our Wednesdays midweek. So that's what I'm doing, but I cannot just give you top analysis. It takes a long time, guys. So if you're interested on learning and getting and becoming a pro, just do the 101. Unfortunately, I'm extremely busy, but I will make sure I put you one in my agenda and see how it goes. All right, let's move on. Let's see let's check on the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Look at this, guy. Look at this. This is amazing. So far, how many pairs have we analyzed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, guys. 6 pairs so far. You are here with me. Tell me which one has missed the TP. None. Simply none. This triple arrow is amazing. And now I'm going to 3 months and 1 week. And you guys are my witnesses. I had lost 1 in 3 months and 1 week. 1 trade. And that was last Wednesday. That was the USD JPY. I knew it was a bullish, but I was going for a small pullback. But since I knew it was bullish, the market continued the way I was supposed to go. Those who had took my 101, I'd be telling them about the USD because I feel bad But remember, in this business, there will be some of them that are gonna go against your rules simply because I forgot to check the news. But I knew it was bullish. Simply, you can go back and check it. It's still bullish, guys. All right, look at here on the USD versus the Australian versus the USD. I said the market was gonna drop. It's doing exactly what I told you it was gonna do. This is amazing. But pay attention. Pay attention who's on the top. That's what I want you to do. Always pay attention to the triple arrow. Look what the triple arrow is doing. It's giving us a bearish market. Just that, man. It's just, it's simple, guys. It's super easy. That's what it's called, super easy Forex. It's very straightforward, guys. And look at what I'm showing you today. I ain't showing you no indicator. I don't need to show you all that crap. I don't. I do have respect for you, for whoever used them. But in my opinion, I don't use them. Because I know what I need to look. And I need to do a better job to make sure you also earn some pips. You can do whatever you want with the data that I provide. Like I said in the beginning, I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. But remember, do what is hard right now, so your life will be easier tomorrow. Don't do the opposite, and then your life will be harder. Don't do it. All right? All right, let's move on. Let me see if there is some more question here. And it says, we took a trade during the class that paid the service. Look at that. Look at Rafa. Rafa is, oh my God, guys. This is amazing. I took a trade with Rafa while he was doing the 101. And he paid his fee. Guys, I'm telling you, my fee is super, super slow for the type of knowledge you're going to get. That's a proven, that's another, I'm not asking any of these guys to put, their lie to you guys. They're simply honest. And I'm proud of what I do. All right, we're going to the 7th trade. Let's see if we have another winning one. And you will be my witness once again. All right, and this is on the Swiss francs versus the Japanese yen. Oh my God, look at this, guy. Look at this. Oh my God. Woo! 7, guys. We're going to the 7. Kind of with me. All right, and this is done on 4 hours. Oh, I forgot. The only indicator I have here is the moving average. When it goes up and when it's come down. That's it. But I really don't pay attention to that. But right now it's just time to turn red. So I mean, this trade that I gave you guys on Sunday is doing what I told you it was gonna do. Perfect. But pay attention who is on the top. That's what you need to pay attention. Look at here. Who's there? Triple arrow. When the triple arrow come, as a bearish, it's dang bearish. That's what it's doing. Look at what the market is sitting. Simple as that. What do you think the market was gonna do that time? When I told you here, guys. I told you here. Look, I told you exactly in that area. Look, I said it was gonna be a sell. That's exactly what the market is doing. So that team with Irvin, man. Team with Irvin. Here we got the 7-1. Proud of this and proud to many to come. All right. Let me read some of you questions so we can also answer the question. Do you establish trend lines before you enter? Yes. I have a set of rules. And if you do the 101, you will learn all of them. And you will be simply amazing. And then he said the 50 EMA. Well, I don't know what that is. I don't use no moving averages, nothing like that, guys. My triple arrow straight up to the point, and you'll gain the knowledge that many are getting so far. All right, let's move on. Let's watch the euro versus the New Zealand dollar, and let's see what this one is doing. Oh my goodness, another one, guys. We are on the A trade. Look at this. Euro versus the New Zealand. I said I was gonna come up and retest our 23 to our 38. Look at what it's doing. And then I said I was gonna do a small pullback. Look, Oh my God, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you guys. I get excited about this because the system works. The system works when you have rules, when you respect your rules. And a lot of you guys are sending me private messages as well and say, Irvin, can you give me a class and teach me how to use the Fibonacci? Unfortunately, I don't think I will ever do this, guy. I will never train anyone on Fibonacci. I just have the way how I read them is based on the rules that I use, and they're pretty accurate. But I don't know all the terminology or how the Fibonacci works. There's plenty of books that you can read about it, but they just work on my favor, and I'm so proud of it because the triple arrow is the one who give me the direction of the market. If the triple arrow is pointing down, guys, it's gonna go down. And you need to verify it all the time frame as well. If the market said is the triple arrows on the bottom, it means the market's gonna go bullish. Look who just appeared right now. Look right now as we speak. Look who just appeared, guys. It just disappeared. All right, let's pay attention. Watch, it's gonna come back. Look who's gonna come back right now. We got big arrow, yellow arrow, and the green arrow is gonna show up in no time. It was just there, but it disappeared. So basically, what it's doing right now is the new trend is forming. All right, and we here on 4 hours. So that's why the market is doing bullish. Why do we have to see this coming week? I forgot that I had to do that for you guys. I totally forgot. I'm just getting excited to see all this giving us what I say on Sunday, but I totally forgot. What I'm seeing this week, guys, look at here. From here, yes, I will say the market is going to give us retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. All right, so most likely it's gonna come in exactly in there, and then we're gonna see a small pullback. But we're gonna go ahead and reanalyze it back on Wednesday, so you can pay attention of what the market is gonna be doing. But so far, this is great. So I'm gonna highlight this area, guys. So when we come back on Wednesday, I assure you there will be the green arrow pointing here. So actually, I'm gonna also put a horizontal line, not a horizontal, a vertical line. It's right there. So you're gonna see it on Sunday when I do this analysis, and you're gonna tell me if I'm wrong, but I know it will be there. All right, let me see what other questions are in here. Why is the 50% and 38 Fibonacci line most common? That is for Regent. Okay, that's a good question, Regent. Usually the golden area or retracements happens on our 38, 50, and 61. That's what I always look for my retracement area as basically pullbacks. That's what is well known by pullbacks area, golden area. So hopefully that answers your question. Lawrence says, Irvin, do you ever look at the currency strength? I don't, Lawrence. Lawrence, you took my 101 session. You know how I trade. Pure triple arrow with pure candles. 0 indicator. I don't need none of that. None of that. That's why, look, we are doing that 8 analysis already. None of them has failed. Simply because the way I see it is totally different. Sometimes I get confused when I see all this stuff, all this indicator. I get confused. It's like I try to eat, something, and they start putting all kind of vegetable all over. So I will not know which one I need to pick first. By the time you finish doing your analysis with so many other stuff, then the train left you. So you need to look who just appeared right now. Oh my goodness, guys! Look at who's here. Oh my God! Look at who just appeared as we speak. So I don't need to prove you anything on Sunday. Anything, guys, it's right in front of your eyes. I don't have to prove you anything anymore. It's there. Amazing, man. Simply amazing. Good job, Triple Arrow. Good job. All right, let's move on. All right, let me read some of your questions so I can answer. I know, Irvin, the training was on fire. Okay, cool. Thank you, Lawrence. How far how long are you currently booked? Well, I have to check. I don't know what your time is, and my wife is overseas as well, so she will be coming soon. So I need to give her some time. So I'll make sure I put you on the book. But trust me, Ron, what you're gonna be learning with me is, I don't think you have ever learned it. And you're gonna be learning real data, right where it's sitting. That's what you're gonna be doing. All right, look at this one, guys. Look at the U.S. dollar versus the Swiss francs on the 4 hours. What did I say on Sunday? I said, okay, it was gonna come down. It was gonna reverse from the 38.2 Fibonacci line. But what did the market do, guys? I said it was gonna do a pullback from that area, but look at what the market did. The market gave you more pips than we expected. So this trade is not wrong. Absolutely not. It just gives you more than what I said. And we're here to collect hundreds and hundreds of pips. We're not here to be a negative. So the market did its job. So in my opinion, the small pullback that I told you is not valid. Simply because the market gave you more than what that you were supposed to get. And then I said I was going to do a small pullback and continue. So now that pullback should be right where it is right now. Right where it is. And I will stay strong to say that yes, it's going to come back and retest our 38 to our 22, 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. And then we'll take it on Sunday from there. All right. But what is the overall of the trend, guys? Pay attention to that. All right. If you can see it, let me know. Type in there if it's bullish or bearish. And I will let you know. I'm here to help you. If you can figure it out, it's fine. If not, I help you. But this looks a very weird one. Very, very weird. Look at here. Too many triple arrow here. Too many triple arrow here. But this is a bearish trend. So it's going to continue down. But we're going to analyze it back on Sunday. All right. All right. Let me see some of your questions. Irving, where can I get a hat like yours? I don't know, brother. My wife gave it to me, though. All right, bearish. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. I salute everyone who is right. Good job. Bullish. Look at this guy saying bullish. No, it's not bullish. Look at who's here. Let me show you. Because you're seeing it wrong. Maybe you need that 101. Look at that. Who's in there? What do you think is that doing? It's bearish. Not bullish. At least it's not bullish too. It's bearish. Alright. Hopefully that answer. Alright, guys. So far so good. Let's move on. Let's move on to our next one. Alright, we have here the GBP versus the Japanese yen. And this is done on 4 hours, right? Alright. Let me go back here. Come on. All right, look at that. It seems like the market is still trending, going sideways. So, but the market, I said the market was gonna drop to our 23 to our 38. So it has, basically it's not doing anything. It's just sitting in the same area. So, I mean, all you gotta do is wait, be patient and wait for it. All right, so that's all you have to do. If the market doesn't give you, I cannot push it and tell you, okay, give me the pips that to show, you know, my Wednesday class that you're gonna drop to the 23 to 38. That's not gonna happen. So market is gonna do whatever they do best. And remember, you always have to work with the trend, not against the trend. If you're gonna work against the trend, you also, that's what I teach you as well, that you need to grab and have a rule of how many pips you want to be against the trend. That's very, very important. You have to remember. So there's a rule for everything. I make sure I keep you very well by the end of the session. All right. Let me see. Reggie Tag says, it's a good idea to get in the Euro NCD. Do I have it here? Let me check. Let me check. Okay, let me go back, and then I go back to GBP JPY. Let me read your question. Right now it's a buy since the triple arrow showed up. Well, you have to confirm it, brother Reggie. You have to confirm it. Just because the triple arrow just showed up, yes, the triple arrow is doing this job, but you have to confirm it to a larger time frame. So basically, this is a fresh, brand new trend that just appeared. So I'm sorry, a brand new triple arrow. So you have to confirm it. But it seems like the market is doing bearish. But I just don't have the time to do top analysis on this one because I'm trying to keep this meeting within 1 hour so others can watch the video as well. All right, let me read the next one. Said trend line literally pointing down. Yep, you got it. All right, Jackson says GBP news coming. Okay, there you go. Rule number 1 that I always teach, and this is for everyone. It doesn't matter what you trade in the market. You always have to check your news. That's rule number 1. Flat out. If you don't look at what Jackson just said. It. He said news are coming on GBP. That's why the market is sitting in there. It's not doing anything. Look, the triple arrow is giving us a bias. It says, hey, I'm coming down. But at least we have an idea. But we have, in my opinion, guys, if you don't know, don't trade when the news are coming up. Just don't do it. Stay away. You stay away. Who's going to win is you. Your heart money is going to be safe. But what happens if it goes against? Because anything can happen. All right, now Cobalt says, jump into the Euro NCD and I'm already on. Look at this guy. Oh my God. Are you serious, Cobalt? Look at this guy. He just jumped. Oh my God. He just, so you jumping on what? On buy? Oh my God, look at this guy, man. This guy, I'm telling you, man. My stuff is real, man. Anyway, how many pairs have we analyzed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pair. 10 pairs, guy. And none of them is a losing one. So far, so good. Actually, we had 13 this week. All right, here's the USD JPY. We're going to go back and analyze it. Oh my God, look at this. Another one. This is the 10 pair, guys. This is the 10 pair. Oh, guys. I may see what Rom says. Multiple search. Do you use one of the new search? I mean, there's many. All you got to do is make sure whatever you're going to be trading is not affecting your trade. If it is, stay away. Because you can do the best analysis in the world, but when the news come, anything can go wrong. Because remember, we're just a little fish, but we are trading the economy of the entire country, So for them, we are no one. But if you have a smart decision, a well-educated opinion, then yes, go ahead and put it in practice. All right. Let me read one more question before I analyze this pair. Landon John says, why was the arrow so high on USD chef? Because on my chart it would have been bullish trend because I don't see that arrow. I don't know. Sometimes it depends on your broker. Some of the broker realize because guys, if you guys don't know, I'm the IT support for Triple Arrow system. Anything goes wrong with your system, I'm the right person. I'm a coach. I'm the IT person for the company. So anything goes wrong, I'm the right person. Unfortunately, we had to jump into your computer. There's a small, it's between $25 to $30 to fix all your issue, and you back to normal. You start making it's very small fee, guys. It's super small fee, just to make sure your chart is well. Because what I have realized, guys, believe it or not, by doing the one-on-one session, I would say 80% of you guys totally your template is absolutely wrong. Your settings are way off. That's not what Pat usually put on the videos. What Pat usually put on the video is, well, it's okay. But when I go and see them, it's totally a different thing. I just don't know if you guys not following the direction of the video. But if you need help, I can help. If you still want to do what you do what you do best. But I'm here to help you if you want. But if you don't, that's fine. That's fine with me. Either way, I'm fine. So I'm here to educate you and show you some pips anyway. All right. Let's see what Derek says. IT expert. You got it, man. You got it. Landon say, Cobalt. Landon, that was gonna be my next guess. All right, guys. Cool. All right. Moving on. This is a good one, guys. This is what I failed last Wednesday. Why I failed on this one? Because last Wednesday, the triple arrow was here. What was the only indicator that I told you they're repaying? What is only the big arrow? But the other indicators, they do not repay. They do not. So what I did was I did squeeze some pips here. On the reversal, it took me out on my real account and took me out. But people were like, yeah, but this is a bullish. Yes, of course, I knew it was a bullish market. But now look at what the market is doing. Who is on the top, guys? Who is on the top now? When triple arrow appears, it's a killer. It's a killer. What did I tell you on Sunday? Market was gonna do a pullback, bang, hit the 50, and then what did I say? Market was gonna retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, and look at what the market did. Market give you more than what I said, a lot more. And that's why you join my class this on Wednesday and Sunday. That's why you join me, to see how well I do. Here it is. It give you more, so the more it give you, better you get. Look at that. All right. So what do you think it's gonna do? It's gonna do now? Look at what the triple arrow is sitting. Tell me. Can you guess? It's there, right in front of you. It's gonna do a continuation of the trend, because the trend is simply a bearish trend. All right. So far it is. So we're gonna be seeing a drop from this particular area, right where it is, right? I would say it's gonna come and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. All right, so we're gonna leave it in there. All right, let me read some of your questions. Landon, yeah, mine is tweaking or something because it's not there. Also noticed there's some extra arrow than Irvin. I need to check my setting. Landon, trust me, what I just said, 80% of you guys do not have the right settings. I just don't know how you guys do it. I just don't know. Again, if you need help, I'm here. If not, then just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep pushing it, brother. But so far, we are on our 11th trade of the 9. And how many losses? 0. 0, brother. 0, 0, 0. Nada. 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 All right, let's move on. Let's move on because the 9 is sure. All right, we're gonna move out to our AUD versus our Canadian, and this is done on our 4 hours. Guys, if you guys found any value on my videos, please share it. Share it with others. Hopefully, others can become part of our triple arrow. Triple arrow is one of the best systems in the world. Believe me, I stand what I say. Look at that. Look at what I said on Wednesday, guys. Market was gonna come out and retest our 38 to our 23, and then I said I was gonna come back today and reanalyze it. Look at what the market did. Market give you extra pips. Extra. How many extra? Let's take a look. 95 pips, guys. Could be 9,500, could be 950, can be $95, could be $30, depending on how you do it. But it's there, guys. It's just there. Look who just appeared. What do you think it's doing now, guys? Can anyone tell me what the market is doing? It's right in front of us. It's right in front of us. Look. If you say it was a bearish, I agree with you. Look at that. It's dropping. It's dropping, guys. What's my analysis for when until for this week, for the rest of the week? That's a good question. That's the question of the night. All right. So far, what I'm seeing is, yes, it's gonna give us a retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line, and then it's gonna do a correction, and then we take it over back on Wednesday. I'm sorry, on Sunday class, so you can see if it's doing what I'm telling you that it's gonna do. All right, you are the man. Thank you, Elliott. Thank you, brother. All right. What other question, guys? It seems like you guys are not asking questions. I guess you guys are doing well. If not, just remember, you can assist to Miss Jenny class. You can assist to Mr. Elvis. He's the Ichimoku master guy. And you can also join Mr. Pat class every morning. I'm sorry, on Tuesday and Wednesday morning. And then I do mine only on Wednesday so far. I guess if you guys request me more, or it will be a better off, I don't know how I can help you. I don't know what else I can do. If you guys come up with an idea of what should I do for you guys, let me know, and I can talk to the boss, and then we can see. And I want to give a shout out, guys, to Mark Robinson. Last Wednesday, I asked in the group if you guys can help me out with renaming our Sunday class and our Wednesday class. And Mark Robinson, well, there were few of you guys who sent me a lot of titles on how to rename our class, and Mark was the selected one. I really like his, and I want to thank you, Mark Robinson, for helping out on this particular issue. All right, so I just wanted to give you a shout out to you, and hopefully you are doing well with your trend. All right, guys, so let's move to our last pair. Let me read some of your questions before I start answering this. Oh my God, guys, look at what you're seeing. Oh my God, woo! This is what I'm talking about. Ha! Amazing, amazing. All right, Lordship Man says, when do you check for your triple arrow every 4 hours? When do you check for the triple arrow for hour? When? You asking me or you asking everyone? I do my analysis on Sunday. Well, I do it on Saturday, Sunday, and I drop and then I put the video for you guys to take a look at it. But mine is done on the weekend when everybody is closed. I just take my time, review, and if I still like what I give you guys, then I'll redo it again. But most likely this pair, I'm gonna reanalyze it. What are you seeing right now? What do you think the market is doing right now? By the way, what do you think the market is doing? Pay attention, because what I teach, guys, is reality. Tell me what the market is doing, and it's doing it exactly because Mr. Triple Arrow is right in front of your face. It's doing exactly what the triple arrow is telling you it's gonna do. Triple arrow don't lie. I can lie to you, sure, but triple arrow don't lie. Don't have feeling. Don't know us. It just do his job. You just follow the rule and give you what you need to get. Does Uncle P put a link to his training? Yes, sir, Jerry. Every day, all of us put a link before our live session starts. So you always gonna be we're always gonna let you know in advance when the session is about to start. All right. And bearish, you got it, it's bearish, you got it. The daily dots are on the true. Yeah, you use the daily, I use the daily too. Look at that, bearish retracement. I love that. Bearish retracement. I really love that, man. I really love what you just saying. Bearish retracement, huh? I really love it. That's a pullback. I really love what you just said. Oh my God, I don't know if I teach you, but that's how I teach. All right, cool. All right, guys. So I want to thank everyone for coming in today, and hopefully you did find value out of this video. And also, I will make sure that I will drop this immediately to our YouTube channel and our chat room so you can review it. And I will see you back on Wednesday. All right. Oh, I'm sorry, on Monday, on Sunday morning or whenever. All right, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you on the chat room. See you.